mamaya ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang video ko na kung paano ginawa ang P0743 na TCC na Hyundai Accent 2014. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya ang video kung paano ano po ang ginawa ko. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aris Gali Agkawili. I hope na may matutunan kayo dito. Thank you. I clear. Now is one. Okay, I will drive it again. Drive it again. Small pour also. Now again, start and third gear. You will feel hard in third, then when you stop, it happens start and third gear. Stuck. On the Accent start in third gear. Code is torque converter clutch circuit electrical problem. Okay, this is drive but stuck on third gear. That's why hard to move. No power. Okay, we will see what happened this one. This is the one I changed for Hyundai Accent 2014 TCC. Code P0743. This one. Okay, we'll try again. Good one. I changed also the harness for one time.